Good day, Ade Lamidi here, digital marketer at justvideomarketing.com. In today's tutorial video, we are going to be adding some pages to our justvideomarketing.com WordPress site. So without further ado, let's get started by going to the dashboard first and going to pages and adding a new pages. So for this tutorial, we are going to be adding 4 pages. One would be a contact us page. The next one would be an about us page, and then we'll have a terms and services page, and lastly a cookie policy page. We might be adding some more pages in subsequent videos, but just for now we are going to add those 4 pages. So what we can do is the first one, which would be the contact us page. Just add contact us, and all we need to do is publish. So as you can see, if we view the page, we have a contact us page. And if you could recollect from the last video, we basically configured some plugins, and now we are going to make use of those plugins that we configured to fill up this page. So let's go to dashboard, and go to plugins, installed plugins, and the first one is Contact Form 7 that we're going to be installing. So what we need to do is take this short code, copy it, go back to all pages, and then edit, and once we get back the page, we will just add that short code and test to see what it looks like on our page. So what we do is come down here and then just paste, update, and then view page. So as you can see, we have a pretty decent contact us page. We can more or less get the details of whoever wants to contact us. We can get their name, their email, subject, and a message. So the next thing we're going to do is go back to the plugins, so we go back to dash plugins, sorry, install plugins. Actually, what we need to do is actually go to contact, and then we do integration, I think it is. I think we set up integration in the last form. I'm just trying to get the code. Let's go to recapture version. Let's go to integration again. Basically, we should have a short code that we can use on our site. Let's go to capture form. I'm going to pause this video while I look for the short form for this. Right, okay, so what I had to do to pick up the recapture form is, in the previous video we had to set up integration. So if you are not familiar with how to do the integration, you can check out the previous video. And once we do that, what happens next is we go to the contact forms, and where it says this is the contact form we're using on the contact us page. So if you do edit, and all I needed to do was just add this recapture at the end. So it would ask me, do I want to insert tag, which yes, I did want to. So, but I already did it before, so just showing you a demo of what I did. So once we do that, we do save. And then if we go to the page now, pages, and we view page, as you can see, the recapture form. So anytime somebody comes to our website, they put in their details, they will need to manually click this "I'm not a robot" button for their email to go through to us. So that's what we needed to do. So the next page we're going to set up is an About Us page. So again, I'll go to Dashboard. I'll go to Pages. Actually, I needed to add a new page. Again, when it comes to an About Us page, you just need to put together a document or some sentences on what your WordPress site is all about. So if I do About Us, and I can come down here and say just videomarketing.com is an hub for all things video marketing. Of course, I would come back and do a detailed about us, but just for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm just going to leave it as that. So we do publish. So we can go back and view the page. So as you can see, we've got an About Us page and it shows in the menu. The next page we are going to set up is a terms and privacy policy page. So I go back to dashboard. Go to pages. Add a new page. And what I've done is I've actually got something written out, so I'm just going to add it here. So terms and privacy policy page. So what I did is I've got something written out. So again, you can do some research on the internet, and there's some pre-formatted pages like this that you can pick up and add to your website. So I'm just going to scroll. So I'm just going to copy this, come to our page, and paste. Here we just add support, just add our email at videomarketing.com. Sorry, just videomarketing.com. And then you can just go through all of this and again, feel free to copy this and just amend it on your website with your details. So we just publish this. And we just check out what it looks like. So as you can see, we have a terms and policy page. Just need to edit this. Let's enter our contact us details in. That's that. So do update. We now have our terms and private policy page. The last page we are going to need is just a cookie policy page. Again, I've prepared the documentation for this. I'm just going to add it to the website. So we go to Pages, add new page, so just do cookie policy. Click here and just add that page. Again, we just publish, and we can just view our page. We can make this a bit bigger. So what we need to do is just highlight this page, do edits, we can make it page 3, and then update. So we've got our 4 very important pages, and that concludes this tutorial. In the next tutorial, we will start adding some content to our website, and our website will start looking like a real WordPress site with a lot of documentation on it. So with that said, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you've got any questions whatsoever, leave me a comment and I would reply to you as soon as I can. Please do remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button so that I can notify you once we release subsequent videos. I will also leave a link somewhere in this video for previous videos, just in case you need to go through the whole tutorial series. And yeah, thanks for watching, and see you soon.